Good afternoon and welcome to a six month, probably 8 month review of our BMW M140. It's now October, so the light's fading pretty fast. Anyway, I'm going to give you a brief run around the car and an update on performance, fuel economy, and generally how the car has fared over the last few months. We've had the car since December 2018, care of Arden in Maidstone. Definitely a dealership if you're in the Kent or South Eastern region, worth a visit. They're very competitive and do some pretty good deals, and their customer service is second to none. That's quite a good shout out, considering I'm in no way connected to BMW or Arden. However, I say it how I see it. I'm not one of these YouTubers that are paid. I'm just doing this for just general information. The car, if I'm honest with you, as a general A to B run around Monday to Friday or weekend toy, is absolutely superb. We're turning around 30 to 35 miles a gallon on a run, around town about 20-25, real value, real sort of terms. It's, if I'm honest with you, I don't like to say this because I'm more of a sports car man, but it's bloody amazing, even to this day. And I'm used to cars that are far lighter than the 1 Series. I'm used to sort of Lotus 211s, Porsche 911s. It astounds me of how just quick the car is, point to point. If I'm honest, the chassis isn't as pointed or as focused as even as a Cayman. I've had one of those as well, but for what it is, which is effectively a 3-door, or in the other configuration 5-door hatchback, it is superb, and all round it's an amazing car. I tend to use it for the majority of the time in eco mode rather than comfort or sports mode or sports plus, purely because really and truthfully I don't want to lose my driving licence, and I don't want to bend it or smash it. It's our primary car at the moment, and it's more my wife's car than mine. But I would buy this, if I'm honest with you, over any of the other competition at this price point, 30 to 40,000. Mind you, I'd struggle to pay more than £30,000 if I'm honest with you for one of these sort of cars. That's what their true value, I think, actually is. 30 to sort of 32 on the road. I think that's a more accurate price point for this type of car. These ridiculous prices of around sort of 40 to 50 grand for let's face it, it's a 3 or 5-door hatchback is a little bit steep. So this is what the car actually sounds like once the cold start has gone away. It levels out to a fairly, it starts to drop down a fairly nice sound. It sounds way better under load. My son was following me in his Fiesta ST, and he was, his words, absolutely, it sounded absolutely amazing under full steam. We're not going to put any trick pipes or anything like that on it. It's a car to be used every day for shopping as well as for a bit of fun. But yeah, it's all around a great car. Sorry that you're not getting to see much of me on the video. I drive around, etc., because I'm doing this on the phone as opposed to a camera. But hopefully an update on the channel soon, where I'm going to get something a bit more sporty. So I'll update you then. The interior is faring very well. Mind you, we've only probably done less than 2,000 miles in the car. It's basically used for all the everyday stuff, including shopping, trips away for the weekend, trips to the airport, anything and everything it's used for. And also a bit of blasting down A roads on a Sunday or a Saturday if I get the time. It's tremendous. I did manage to chip one of the front alloys, which is quite frustrating. We went to Norfolk, parked against a hard curb, so that needs to be rectified. But other than that, it's pretty bloody amazing.